Raise your hood. Remove the one Phillips screw from the top, then pull forwards on the side marker housing. Remove the two 10mm bolts. The bottom can be reached with a ratchet, but the top has to be removed with a number 3 size Phillips screwdriver. This bottom nut was a pain to get to. As you can see, I had to remove some of the air ducting and the hoses from the charcoal canister to get to it. I may have removed more air ducting than I needed to, but at the time it seemed like it all needed to come out of the way. Let me know what you did to get to this bottom nut. Using a 1/4 inch ratchet and extension, you can get to the bottom 10mm nut by sliding the extension up from underneath the charcoal canister. The top nut can be reached by slightly moving the wire harness out of the way. Remove the screws and clips from this middle section of the bumper. Then pull forwards on the bumper cover and the headlight at the same time to get the headlight from behind the bumper cover. Also lift up slightly on the headlight as you're pulling it forwards, as there's a lip that it catches on. Disconnect the parking light and you're done.